Cool Car Envy. We love nice cars.
Alright, so we found a couple rusty abandoned trailers sitting on an old dairy farm where they used to bottle the milk right at the source. Let's take a quick walk around these things, see if we can get inside and see what's in them. Please hit like and subscribe. We got all original background music. You guys are watching Cool Car Envy. So if you're a regular fan of the channel, you know that we mainly do car videos, but occasionally we do the odd trailer video. Thanks for sticking with us on this one. So we had a little bit of brush to deal with here, but listen, in life, you gotta carve out your path. We're having fun doing this, so let's take a look inside. And it looks like somebody's been living in this thing. You got furniture, you got tarps, all kinds of stuff. And a massive spider web. Alright, let's take a walk down, check out the next one. Alright, so let's see what was in the next one, you guys. Looks like some kind of building materials, some kind of tiles. This could be anything. This could be asbestos. So yeah, I didn't stick around in this one either. She's nice and rusty though. Probably from the 1950s, maybe 40s, 30s. Who knows? You guys let me know in the comments. Guys, help us get out there. Please hit like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. You're watching Cool Car Envy. We'll see you on the next one.